The way you want to start this exercise is first of all adjusting the bench right. Now for him, this is perfect because it's going to be able to match right under his chest. Now we got to go to the footing. So you bring your left foot forward because you're doing the left arm. Go ahead, bring the left foot forward. Keep the right leg back. Put this arm on top of the bench. Lean forward. Beautiful. Now you could bring this back foot and put it on top of the back of the bench. Right there. Are you more comfortable?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Here we go. Wrist is nice and straight. He's not moving it back and forth. Okay? You want to go down right till there. You hyperextend your arm. It's going to take all the pressure off the bicep. We want to kill the bicep. So right before, go ahead, curl, beautiful. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. You see that bicep getting nice and cooked. His forearm is straight working. His wrist isn't moving. It's breathing in on the way down, blowing out on the way up. Look at his back. It's not moving around. It's nice and solid. His legs aren't moving around and bending and moving back and forth like a weak man. It's nice and solid, nice and straight. If you notice, his wrist isn't moving back and forth. Okay, it's nice and straight with the floor. He's not like this or like that, straight. His arm, it's not crooked. Go ahead and make your arm crooked. Like this. A lot of people do that in the gym. I see it wrong. Move it straight. Nice and lined up. Wrist, elbow, shoulder lined up. Look at his face. He's looking straight.